Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add files in Google Drive link. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. I appreciate it very much. Okay, the first step is to go to Google and log in with the account you want to use in Drive. Then go to Google Drive. Now click on New, File Upload, and wait for it to upload. Then click on Share. And here, select the option Anyone with the link. And here, you can copy the link, or you can also add someone from here with their email address. If you copy the link, it will look like this. Well, in case you want to create a folder with many files and share it, you will do the following. Click on New Folder, and here you name it. Open it, and drag all the files you want into it. Now click here, Share. And here, the same as before, you can add people or copy the link and send it to them. That's it. Leave me a like. I appreciate it very much.